Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to enable background downloading on Telegram. If you've ever missed out on important files or media because Telegram paused downloads when you switched apps or locked your screen, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep downloads running smoothly in the background. This means you can receive those large videos, documents, or voice notes without needing to constantly keep Telegram open. Let's jump right in because there are two main things we need to check. Telegram's own automatic download settings and your phone's system-level background permissions. I'll walk you through both, so you feel confident that nothing is going to interrupt your downloads. First, let's configure Telegram's in-app data settings. Why does this matter? Well, Telegram actually gives you control over what media gets downloaded automatically and in which circumstances, like whether you're on Wi-Fi or using cellular data. This is handy for avoiding unwanted data charges, but if you want true background downloading, you'll need to enable the right options. Start by opening the Telegram app and tapping into the settings menu. It's the gear icon, usually at the bottom or top depending on your device. Next, head over to Data and Storage. Here, where you'll find a section called Automatic Media Download. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll see choices for downloading media when using mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming. You want to make sure automatic downloads are turned on for all of those conditions. If you mostly use Wi-Fi, that one is absolutely essential since most large files come through when you're at home or work. And don't forget roaming. This is useful if you travel a lot and want to keep content flowing, but keep an eye on those roaming charges. Below that, Telegram lets you select which types of media should be downloaded. Photos, videos, voice messages, and regular files. Make sure all these switches are enabled. A quick tip, if you're worried about storage, you can always come back and fine-tune these later. For now, toggle everything on to guarantee nothing gets left behind. Okay, that's the easy part done. But to really make sure Telegram keeps working behind the scenes, we need to tweak your phone's system-level settings. This is where a lot of people get tripped up, since background activity can get blocked by battery optimizations or app restrictions. Let's start with iPhone users. Open your iPhone's main settings, the silver gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on General, then find Background App Refresh. Here you'll see a list of all your apps. Look for Telegram. Make sure it switches on, it should appear green. This lets Telegram keep working even when you've minimized it or locked your screen. While you're here, double-check that low power mode is turned off. Low power mode can freeze background apps to save battery, but it also halts processes like downloads, so you definitely want that disabled while waiting for big files. Android folks, your steps are similar but may look a little different depending on your phone manufacturer. Open up your phone's settings app. Go to Apps, this might be called Apps and Notifications or just Applications, and find Telegram in the list. Dive into its details, then tap battery usage, or something similar. You're looking for options like background restriction or allow background activity. Make sure these settings are enabled or set to unrestricted or allowed. Some devices might throw in extra battery saver modes. Check those too, and turn off anything that might interfere with background app activity. Once you've got both the in-app and system settings adjusted, you're all set. Telegram will now download media reliably, even while you're multitasking or your phone is at rest. Just remember, if things aren't downloading in the background, revisit these options. Sometimes system updates or battery settings can change things without notice. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you set up seamless background downloads on Telegram. If you've got any questions or you run into a snag on your own device, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. See you next time.